Good evening and welcome to Bharat Frontliners. I'm your host Ranji Quatra. Here on this platform, we celebrate the people who rise, not overnight, but through relentless effort and an unshakable spirit. Tonight, we have with us someone who has lived that journey beautifully. A familiar name on Indian television. An actress who made her presence felt in daily soaps, ad films, and cinema. And today, she's also a producer and a creative voice shaping new stories. Winner of the Maharashtra Shri Sanman and the Wow Pride of Excellence Award 2025. Please welcome Sajni Srivastav. Sajni, winner of the Maharashtra Shri Sanman and the What Young Actors See in You is not just a performer, they see resilience. A woman who refuses to stop learning, who doesn't chase relevance but earns respect. I am proud to welcome you to the Bharat Frontliners show today. Welcome.
Thank you, Ranji ji. Thank you. It's my honor and pleasure to be on this platform. So happy to be interviewed by you, and to glad and share my journey with the audience and everybody.
Glad you could make it. Let's rewind a
Thank
little.
you.
From your early
Sure.
TV days to today, how would you describe this journey? Those key moments, those people, any turning point that still inspires you today?
My journey started off when I was a very little child. Ever since I had this dream to be in the media. Like my mom used to say, जब वो मिथुन का आपको शायद डायलॉग याद होगा कि बचपन में म्यूजिक सुनते ही पैर थिरका करते थे, तो उस टाइप से मैं थी जब बचपन में, जब छोटी थी, जब गाने बजते थे तो my mom used to see me dancing on the tune, perfectly. And that time she knew that this is something very unusual at very small age. She's doing like that. And फिर schooling में I started participating in many elocution competitions. फिर college में I participated in a beauty contest, Gold Spot Beauty Contest. I won. I was a first runner-up in that. And that's how things started off. मतलब आप समझ लो बचपन से I was into this. And college में I started doing modeling after I won the first runner-up of Gold Spot Beauty Contest. That's how my journey started. There were a lot of ups and downs. Because मेरी फैमिली में कोई भी इस लाइन में नहीं था, and there was no support except for my parents, my dad and my mom. They were and they are the biggest supporter of this journey. I should say that because of them, I am here what I am today.
Yeah.
So that's how my things went, and I had a lot of oppositions, like in my own family. They were like, उनको नहीं अच्छा लगता था कि लड़की को आप यहाँ भेज रहे हो, ऐसे modeling कर रही है. But it was my parents who shut everybody's mouth that she will do whatever she wants to do, and it's her life. She's an individual. So then they told me कि बेटा तुम्हें जो करना है तुम करो, we are there to support you. So that's how I was able to do it.
A salute to your parents indeed.
Thank you.
I've truly admired how you keep moving forward and reinventing yourselves. These new vertical micro series, for example, Ghar Wapsi on Story TV and Ek Diwana, coming soon on Tangi TV and Ek Diwana, coming soon on Tangi TV and Ek Diwana, coming soon on Tangi TV and Ek Diwana. How exciting has it been exploring this shorter, faster storytelling format? And do you feel this format gives more chances to fresh talent too?
See, I would say that in every way you have to upgrade yourself. Whether it is though it's very new for me as an actor to act in a micro vertical series, क्योंकि ऐसा कभी concept था नहीं. It's a new concept altogether. But as an actor, I wanted myself to try on this, and I had an amazing role in both the stories. And of course, newcomers को तो बहुत बड़े chances हैं इसमें, and I am seeing it. बहुत सारे newcomers इसमें काफी लोग आ रहे हैं, बहुत scope है इसमें. तो क्यों नहीं? I guess you should welcome change, and you should also upgrade yourself. Even though I'm in the industry for 15 years, but आप upgrade नहीं करेंगे तो आप grow ही नहीं करेंगे. That's what I mean.
Yep, I completely agree with you on that. And they're actually coming up with rather good content and actually good stuff, man. So
Exactly.
even I'm for it, and we should move along with the times.
Yes.
Okay. Moving on, acting is your first love, but now you're also
Yes.
producing under Sajni Films and Media. When did you
Yeah.
feel I want to create stories too, not just perform them?
Actually, sir, let me tell you this, that before producing, I was a director. My journey began in 2009, where my husband and his college friend, they started a production house in East Africa, where I had to leave India and go and settle down in Africa, जहाँ पे हमारा production house launch हुआ था. So I was at the peak of my career when I went there to establish that production house, you know. So like I'm a workaholic, and there I was getting very bored. Okay, new country, new people, what am I doing here? So my husband told me, यार तुमने इतना काम किया है, तुम कुछ करते क्यों नहीं हो? Why don't you direct a film? मैंने कहा यार मैंने तो कभी लिखी भी नहीं स्टोरी, मैं डायरेक्ट क्या करूंगी? I don't know. So he told me, yeah, you've worked with many directors, try and do it. Anyways, I wrote a story, and I'm telling you कि कैसे वो जर्नी मेरी शुरू हुई from director to producer. ठीक है? That's why I'm taking little longer.
Take your time.
So
It's very,
वहाँ पे
very interesting.
yeah. So वहाँ पे then I wrote a script and I shot. I don't know how I shot, but shoot हो गई वो film. To my surprise, that film was nominated in Zanzibar International Film Festival, where almost 7 to 80 countries participate, you know. So I was very much thrilled and happy also and content also. चलो ठीक है यार, लिख ली फिल्म, शूट हो गई फिल्म, नॉमिनेट हो गई, यहीं तक ठीक है. To my surprise, my film won the Best Film Award. And I became the first Indian director, female director, to direct the movie in their language and to win an international award. So it became a history. वहां से then my film went to Germany Film Festival, where those people sponsored us, you know, where my film was shown on a big theater, you know, and I was given the best film certificate there in Germany Film Festival too. तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा एक वो हो गया था चैलेंज, क्या कहते हैं, अब इससे बेटर मुझे क्या करना है, यू नो, उस तरह से. अगले साल मैंने फिर से फिल्म वहां बनाई और फिर से मेरी फिल्म को बेस्ट फिल्म का अवार्ड ज़ांज़ीबार इंटरनेशनल फिल्म में मिलता है. सेकेंड ईयर अगेन माय फिल्म वन. तो इस तरह से आई डायरेक्टेड अराउंड 6 कमर्शियल मूवीज इन माय प्रोडक्शन हाउस देयर व्हिच इज कॉल्ड पीली पीली एंटरटेनमेंट. वहां पे अब जब हम लोग यहाँ पे आए, वहां पे तो सेट हो गई थी हमारी कंपनी, बट यहाँ पे वी केम इन 2016 again, because our first love is of course Bollywood, so we wanted to do something in Bollywood. So I got a little busy with my schedule. I was not accepting work. मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम चाहिए था, and I had lost all out of sight, out of mind हो गया था, because 6 years, 7 years I was in Africa, so I lost almost all touch from the media industry. Now coming to Sajni Films and Media is like I actually wanted to do something. आप जानते हैं कि टीवी इंडस्ट्री में आजकल 18 साल की लड़कियों को व्हाइटनर्स लगा देते हैं, मम्मियां बना देते हैं. तो हमारी क्या है
Don't make me laugh.
ये बहुत कॉमन था. तो आई मेरे दिमाग में बहुत था कि यार मैं कुछ ऐसे सब्जेक्ट्स लेकर आऊं जो ना कि मैसेज ओरिएंटेड हो, बल्कि मैं उसमें खुद एक्ट करूं, जिसमें मुझे इच्छा है कि मैं अपने एज ग्रुप को मैं वो कर सकूं एंड टू ब्रिंग अ गुड कंटेंट माई सेल्फ वाई डोंट मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकती हूँ यार, मैं कर सकती हूँ. इनिशियली आई टुक हेल्प ऑफ फ्यू एक्टर्स. मैं नाम नहीं लूंगी. मैं उनको अप्रोच किया कि भैया आप इफ यू वांट वी हमें मिलके कुछ करते हैं, बट इस यार इसमें हम लोग एक एक्सपेरिमेंट ही कर रहे हैं, तो दे आर स्टिल रेडी, ऐसी बात नहीं. बट फिर वो लोग बिजी हो गए. देन फिर मैंने वो भी नहीं किया उनको, क्या कहते हैं, फोर्स भी नहीं किया कि यार सबके अपने स्केड्यूल्स हैं, सबके अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं. तो मैंने फिर शुरू किया अपना वन वुमन जर्नी का सिलसिला, जिसमें मैं वन कैरेक्टर स्टोरी पकड़ती हूँ, which is a whole voiceover stuff using my visuals which I shoot. And मेरी जो पहली फिल्म है I Am Enough, it has won around 10 to 15 awards in different categories, in almost all category: best actress, best story, best film, short film, best director, best producer. Not only that, I have produced around 4 films, short films. चारों फिल्मों को अवार्ड्स मिल चुके हैं अब तक.
Beyond amazing.
थैंक यू.
What kind of stories or themes are closest to your heart as a creator?
I actually prefer a very hard मैसेज ओरिएंटेड स्टफ. जैसे बहुत सारे लोग अभी जो आई एम इनफ है, जिसमें ये एक वुमन की जर्नी है. इट्स अ सोल स्टरिंग जर्नी, रियलाइजेशन, वेयर अ वुमन थिंक्स दैट शी इज नथिंग, शी इज always belittled, she's always compared. So she has this kind of trauma in her, running in her mind, that she's not enough. But later on, वो जद्दोजहद उसके खुद के साथ होती है, और जहां उसको रियलाइजेशन होता है कि नहीं, ये आवाजें बाहर की है, मेरे अंदर जो है मैं बहुत स्ट्रांग हूं, एंड आई एम इनफ मोर देन एनीबडी एल्स. So these kind of stories really attract me. ये आप समझ सकते हैं, ये हर कोई रिलेट कर सकता है. इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट वुमेन, इट्स अबाउट एवरीबडी. जहां पे लोगों को बोला जाता है कि तुम कुछ भी नहीं हो यार, तुम तो ये हो, तुम तो वो हो, not realizing you have immense power in yourself.
Yeah.
You have the ability to change everything that is within you, around you, but we don't take that initiative.
Yeah, this subject, I mean, it hits your target audience is basically everyone, male, female,
It's
all age groups.
yes,
It just hits everyone.
yes, mass. It's for mass. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. I mean, everyone can relate to that.
yes.
Yeah, brilliant. The industry today is very different. OTT, reels, social media, constant updates. As someone who has witnessed this evolution, do actors now feel more pressure to stay relevant 24/7, or do you think they are more empowered than before?
I would say दोनों ही चीजें हैं सर. प्रेशर भी है, क्योंकि आजकल ट्रेंड ऐसा हो गया है कि भैया आपकी ब्लू टिक है कि नहीं, आपके कितने फॉलोअर्स है कि नहीं, वो चीजें बहुत ज्यादा चेंज हो गई हैं. आप कैसे जज कर सकते हो किसी को ऑन द बेस्ड ऑफ फॉलोअर्स या ब्लू टिक? आज आप सोचो, नए लोगों के मिलियन फॉलोअर्स हैं, बट अगर आप उनको लीड रोल में लोगे, डू यू हैव दिस थिंग दैट दे कैन एक्ट? नो. प्रेशर इस चीज में आ जाता है. बहुत सारी चीजें चेंज भी हो गई है, एंड ठीक है, होता है, बट दोनों चीजें हैं. आई वुड से दैट.
Yeah, I've seen that happen very, very often now. Yeah.
Yeah.
In fact, the other day I was seeing a video of some senior support actors, and they were saying the exact same thing. And even I personally feel the same. But
Yeah.
that's how the way
It's-
this industry runs nowadays. So, yeah.
It's sad, but you can't help it. That's how the things are.
Yeah.
लाइक आज मैं बोलूं, अगर आपने 10 फिल्मों में काम किया है और आप अभी भी ऑडिशन दे रहे हैं टू प्रूव योर एक्टिंग, तो देन आई थिंक इट्स रियली सैड.
Yeah.
I never auditioned at that time. I'm sorry, sir. I was so like I काम हम लोग का देख के हम लोग को चैलेंज बुलाते थे. Like I worked in almost all big channels. मेरे सारे shows as a lead I came in a series serials में आई थी मैं. बहुत बड़े बड़े काम मैंने किए हैं, बट कभी मैंने उस समय ऑडिशंस वगैरह कुछ नहीं हुआ था. इट वाज लाइक चैनल्स आपको बुलाते थे. चैनल यूज टू कॉल मी कि नहीं, ये लीड रोल के लिए वी वांट सजनी, उस तरह से था. या डायरेक्टर्स आपको डायरेक्टली बुलाते थे क्योंकि वो आपको जानते थे, आपका काम जानते थे. एंड पीपल नो मी नॉट जस्ट एज एन एक्टर, पीपल नो मी एज अ परफॉर्मर. आई लव टू बी कॉल्ड एज अ परफॉर्मर. Like I like my categories like Shabana Azmi, Smita Patel, like that. Not the heroines that dance around the tree
Yeah.
and move on. No, I want to be remembered like that. But auditions उस समय बिल्कुल नहीं होते थे.
Oh, wow. Brilliant, brilliant. So, tell me
Yeah.
something, Sajni. You've seen both worlds, long-running daily soaps and today's high-speed content. What's the biggest shift
Yeah.
in how actors and filmmakers work now? And amidst all this change, what must always remain unchanged in the craft?
चेंजेस तो आए हैं, काफी आए हैं. जैसे पहले हम लोग की 9 से 6 की शिफ्ट हुआ करती थी या 2 से 10 की शिफ्ट हुआ करती थी. आजकल शिफ्टें बढ़ गई हैं. थिंग्स हैव चेंज, थिंग्स हैव बिकम वेरी फास्ट. लाइक उस समय हमको आई डोंट नो, अपने एज के हिसाब से काम मिलता था. आजकल सीरियल्स में आप देखो कि यंग लड़कियों को ही माँ बना देते हैं. एंड अगर मुझे एक रोल के लिए आपने अप्रोच किया है तो ऑप्शन में आप मुझसे 10 साल बड़ी को भी उसी रोल के लिए आप अप्रोच करो. तो that thin line, that is somewhere missing because yeah. बाकी कंटेंट में भी डिफरेंस है. लाइक आई रिमेम्बर हमने जो शूट किया था पिया का घर, वो रहने वाली महलों की एक चाबी है पड़ोस में. They were like fantastic stories where people would relate. People would remember the characters of the people. Still remember my characters. I'm really surprised. But आज के उसमें आप इतने लोग आ गए हैं, आप किसी के कैरेक्टर को याद भी नहीं कर सकते, नाम भी नहीं आपको याद रहेगा. ये हो गया.
हाँ, लेकिन what do you feel?
भीड़ हो गई है बहुत.
हाँ, but what do you feel that something that must remain unchanged in the craft, जो acting की craft है?
Unchanged is the same. Naturally रहे.
Yeah, because that takes away from the entire story.
Yeah.
Yeah, being natural.
Originality is not there. Originality should be there.
Yes.
Whether it is acting, whether it is story, whether it is anything.
So, awards, recognition, new formats, 2025 already looks pretty exciting for you. Is there a role or
Thank you.
genre you'd love to surprise the audience with next?
Things are in pipeline. I don't want to disclose that now.
Okay.
Just fingers crossed. फिलहाल तो I'm going to start shooting for my next short film. My scripting is almost ready. So let's see जब time मिलेगा and एक और नया सब्जेक्ट लेकर आऊंगी आप सबके सामने बहुत जल्द.
We'll be eagerly awaiting for that.
Yes, thank you so much.
Sajni, thank you not just for sharing your achievements, but for sharing your truth so openly tonight. In an industry racing ahead every minute, you remind us that real growth is slow, steady, and deeply personal. You keep evolving. New stories, new formats, new responsibilities, but never losing your center. That is indeed rare. That is inspiring. There is so much waiting for you ahead. Bigger characters, broader platforms, stories that speak to hearts beyond borders. We are proud to witness the legacy you are creating, frame by frame, year by year. May every challenge become applause and every dream find its perfect spotlight. Sajni
Thank you.
Srivastava, we're cheering for you today, tomorrow, and always. Thank you so much for being on my show tonight.
My pleasure, sir. Thank you.